In this video, I want to show you how to block all incoming calls on Android phone and you'll still be able to access internet. In this video, I will show you two different ways of doing it. Blocking incoming calls without obstructing your internet is very essential, especially when you are busy and you don't want any call to disturb you. So I want to show you how to do it. Generally, people usually put their phone on flight mode to avoid incoming call, but this is not effective because if you put your phone on flight mode, your internet connectivity will also be disabled. For you to stop incoming calls without obstructing your internet connectivity, I want to show you how to do that. So to do that, come to your call app. When you open it, come to these three dots, click on it and click on settings. Then come to call accounts. Here, if you are using different SIM, you will see all your SIM here, SIM 1, SIM 2. So if you want to block call on SIM 1, for example, so just click on that SIM, then it will bring this interface. The first way of doing it is this. You can use call forwarding or call barring. Now let's check the first one, call forwarding. So to stop incoming call from reaching you, click on this call forwarding. Then it will open this interface. Then click on always forwarding. Then here, just enter any non-existing number. Just enter any number, but make sure the number does not exist. Any arbitrary number, but make sure it doesn't exist. Then click on turn on. So it's updating. You can see now forward all calls to this number, and this number doesn't exist. What it means is that if anyone calls you now, the number will not be able to reach you. The call will not be able to reach you because this number does not even exist. So by this method, you have stopped all incoming calls and you can still use your internet. So the second way of doing it, let's go back. You can use this call barring. So if you click on call barring, then it will open this interface. So here you can use it all outgoing call if you want to off it, all outgoing international call, all outgoing international roaming. But here all incoming calls if you want to stop it. So just click on this all incoming calls. Then here you enter a password of your choice, but make sure you remember the password so that by the time you want to turn it off, you'll be able to turn it off. So enter the password and click on turn on. So by this, you have stopped the incoming call from reaching you and you will be able to still access your internet connectivity. So any call made to your line will not reach you and you can still be using your internet. I hope this tutorial is helpful to someone. Thank you for watching.